Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete files on your MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. First of all, open a Finder window by clicking on the Finder icon in your dock. So I'm opening my Finder. And now navigate to the file or folder you want to delete. So I'm clicking on this folder and choosing this file, and normally you can delete it by right-clicking on your mouse and selecting Move to Trash, or you can press on your keyboard Control button and press on the trackpad and again Move to Trash, or you can press on your keyboard Command plus Delete button together. You will see the delete button on the top right corner of your keyboard. Now the file has gone to the trash. To delete it permanently, normally open your trash and after then click on this empty button and finally click on this empty trash. And that's it. You have successfully permanently deleted the file. Be cautious when emptying the trash, as this action cannot be undone. Ensure you no longer need the items before proceeding. That's it, you have successfully and permanently deleted your files on your MacBook. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.